Hello everybody, Pokedad and Suncaden here. Open up 2 Lost Thunder and 2 Evolution packs.
Oh yeah, she said it was me.
This looks like blood.
Okay.
Tell him that Ella's here.
And Ella's here too.
What else we got? We got Magma, the Red Nether, and the Nether Wart was really
There
cool.
she is.
Hi.
Then of course you have the saplings.
Turn it down one more click, buddy.
Torch is a flashlight. That is very cool. There is a bunch of other stuff as well. What else do we got?
Okay, let's get these open.
Look like things. Then of course the paintings of them. I don't know what the creeper head's supposed to be.
There's code.
Oh, that is. Then we got these 3. Very cool, very nice indeed. There's a flashlight. There is. I do want to check out the armor.
Your code.
This is a little present. The daylight
2,
sensor.
3, 4.
The door looks really cool.
Got Houndor
All the dye looks really awesome.
and Moltres non-hollow.
The buckets are cars.
Next one.
Snowball Cell, I think.
No, Ella, don't touch that. Here,
The rabbit hide is cupcake, I guess.
you can have
We
those.
have the menu.
Yeah.
I think that's it for that tab. And of course, there's the diamond axe, which looks like a little bloody axe. That's really nice. Golden axe, wooden axe, or guitar. Got a layer, another guitar there. And you got some soda here. A lot of soda, actually. I didn't even realize.
Hold on one sec. Yes,
Oh,
1
look,
second.
it's Bonbon.
Oh!
Where we have Bonbon. We can actually be Funtime Freddy now. Well, that's really interesting. Where's the armor? Oh, I don't know what that is. Here we go.
Okay, second pack.
Let's see. So let's get everybody's set. There's the chain,
Ah,
the leather, and then we'll come back and we'll do the other one. Alright. What? Fuck, we have cupcake, we have coins and dollars, and a smartphone?
Marlowe
Well,
and
look at that.
Confrigus.
That's so cool. It's like an actual smartphone.
Alright, 2 Evolution.
Alright, so let's go ahead and put all of these on. Oh, yeah.
Never really bought too many of these, but been trying to get the Charizard lately.
And if you're wondering where I'm getting all
There's
this
the
stuff,
code.
it is from the texture pack, which I will be leaving in the link below.
What do we
Oh,
get?
that's
Oh, a Stormy Break.
It's all the same material. Yeah, it's all leather.
And a Dugong non-hollow. Alright, come on, give us some last pack magic.
Not sure which one, but either way, that is still very cool. Let's put up armor again, and let's go with the diamonds.
Last pack magic.
Something with diamonds.
No.
The Withered Body and the Chica set.
No magic in this opening.
Let's put on this.
A duo and a Doug trio. Meh, meh, meh. Nope. Bunch of nothing. Bunch of nothing. Alright, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell.